Hello guys, welcome back on a technology bulb here. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to remove iCloud activation lock length from any iPhone device. As we see right now on this device, this is linked to an Apple ID and asking here enter the Apple ID and password that were used to set up this device in that conditions, or your device is blacklisted as toilet mode, lost mode. Don't worry. In all situation, you can directly go for an as administrator. That's a pass-fail activation unlock tools. This tool is specially designed to remove iCloud activation lock as well as Apple ID from any device, as well as you can turn off sound camera. So let's say start. Just we will go for here. See, remove iCloud activation lock. Just we will hit the start button, and now it's going to connect. So we will see here. Now see, it's downloading Jailbreak tools. Now it's downloaded. Now it's saying that burn. So just we will go for a start to burn into the USB flash drive. So one USB pen drive I have already inserted in my computer. Now it's creating, or Jailbreak tool is being installed to the USB flash drive. Just it's scarcely it will take a 30-second, guys. So within a 5 to 10 minute, guys, at your home without any hassle, you can remove, terminate iCloud activation locks. So right now, see, I have created or burned successfully this Jailbreak environment to the USB flash pen drive. So now I will cut it. See, to know more detail about this tool, you can visit on this website. There's a monthly subscription, yearly as well as lifetimes. There are the various kind of a tool that's have been developed by this website, but right now here, see, discounted code link I will give you below the description box. If you are enthusiastic, then you can purchase within one click from the description box. So now what we have to do, guys, here, simply we have to close this by pressing turn off this computer on a button. So now say it's turn off. Now simply we will switch on and we will, yes, keep holding a boot menu key of your computer. So see, now it's in a boot menu, guys. We have to select the pen drive. So it belongs to as P. So of course we will select this one and we will hit the enter button, guys. So now we will have a especially here. Yes, in option mode, guys, we will start enter and we will select here allow untested. Then once again we will verbose boot, we will select their X also, and in this also of course we will say it X the except safe mode, guys. Once again we will back enter. Once again we will hit the start button. Once again we will go for next. So now this device is going in a DFU mode, guys, and after DFU mode, see, sorry, it's a recovery mode, and now we have to switch this device into the recovery mode. So sorry, from recovery to DFU mode, guys. So in DFU mode, how would you do that? Simply we will hold this home button and this one together and we will hit the start button. So let's see guys how it's easy. Then we will release this after 10 seconds. Now see, it will go in a successfully DFU mode, guys. So it's done, guys. See, now it's going to a Jailbreak. So finally we have done this. How it's easy, guys, without any hassle. Similar strategy you need to execute. So almost I have done, guys. Yes, all done. So directly we will turn off this computer. Now once again we will switch on the computer, and of course we will come here. As we see, we will go select this one, we will go select this one, we will go here, and we will go for next, don't worry. Just we will turn on computer. Yes, we will switch on. Now it's on this computer. So just one more minute, hence we need a. So see, right now still it's linked, guys. After jailbreaks, especially still it's linked. So now just now see guys, here just we will log in my computer. So yes, see now once again I will have to open a here this tool, that is a password activation unlocker. Yes, we will go for yes. Now it's open, guys. Here once again we will go for hit the start to remove. Then see right now, just we will go for once again, so all the detail will come. So see, all the detail came on a screen. Just we will go for start to remove. Don't do anything, automatically it will. So see, now it came in on, and of course it will reboot. Then see, now see guys, it's saying that successfully it has been removed. So now it's on a hello screen, sorry, on a actually see on home. So just we can here click here. Now see, there is nothing, guys, and finally it has removed completely. So you can of course generate your new Apple ID password on this device, and you can use as a new one. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Further any inquiry, blindly have the query below the comment box, guys. I will reply as soon as possible according to your query. So this is all about. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.